loud. No excuses. Ay. I got no excuses. Yeah, I got no excuses. I got no excuses. Yeah, I got no. Yeah. Yo, this industry is so confusing. Hard to tell who's really with me or who's trying to use me. If I told you I respect you, I ain't say it loosely. I don't throw those words around, it's just not how I do things. Ay. Yeah, I know I can be a nuisance. Ain't afraid to admit it if I think the shoe fits.